In today's video, I'll teach you how to see the elevation profile of a route in Mapy.com. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Mapy.com application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Mapy.com application has been opened. So if you want to see the elevation profile of a route, first of all, what you have to do is select the route. First of all, search for a place, tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is simply search for a place over here. Here I'm just going to search for London. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the London in the map over here. Now what you have to do is select the nearby trips. At bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply find this option for nearby trips and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see all the available nearby trips over here. You'll also be able to see the elevation profile of the route. For that, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Scroll down to the bottom of this interface. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the elevation profile over here. So like this, you'll be able to see the elevation profile. So that is how you see the elevation profile of a route in Mapy.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.